watermelon soup, Tom Jued Fak.
Hi guys, today we're gonna cook the winter melon soup. So this is called in Thailand Tom Jued Fak. I know that's not sound right, but yeah, Fak in Thailand is mean the winter melon. So first of all, we're gonna marinate our ground pork first. The ingredient is gonna be garlic, just a little to clove. This is gonna be cilantro. We prefer the root if you have it, but we don't have it, so we're just gonna use this one. And this one is gonna be black pepper. I would say we're gonna cut it to small pieces. And right now we're gonna marinate the pork. So I will use a potato starch. Maybe one tablespoon. Sugar. Just a little bit. 1 tablespoon of the oyster sauce. And gonna be 2 tablespoons of the oyster sauce. Oh no, soy sauce, please. Make sure you give them the massage to mix it well. This we're just gonna wrap it, and we're just gonna leave this one inside the refrigerator while we are waiting for get ready for our winter melon. This is my first time, so I will try to use the spoon to remove all the seed out. Maybe that's the easy way that we can do. Yeah, that's the easy way actually. Easy. So we get all the seed out. This is gonna be the melon that we're gonna use today. So we will start to cook right now. We're gonna move go to the cook station. Let's go. nice sauce. Then we can use the pot to peel them in. So we're gonna use this. After 30 minutes